Hello children, today English book we will be doing poem chapter number 2, poem The Swing, and the poet name is Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, now let us read the poem. After reciting the poem, I'll explain you, then we'll be writing the meaning of it. Okay children, so let us recite. How do you think to go up in the swing? Up in the air so blue. Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing even a child can do. Up in the air and over the walls till I can see so wide. Rivers and trees and kettle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Okay children, so this is the poem. Children, when we go in the garden, we see the swing. We see the swing and we feel very happy seeing the swing. Children like to sit in the swing. Okay children, you like to sit in the swing. When the swing goes up and up, you feel very happy. When it comes down, when it goes up, you feel very happy. You can see many things. When the swing goes up, you can see many things like birds are flying, blue sky you can see. Up in the sky, blue sky, you can see birds are flying here and there. You can see the clouds are moving slowly. Yes or no? When the swing comes down, you can see green grass. You can see the kettles like goat. You can see goat, then sheep around us. You can see the walls of the garden. You can see the brown roof of the house. There is a small countryside. Countryside, meaning of the countryside is where the small village is there near the garden, where the children are playing. The small houses are there. Their roofs are brown in color. You can see the brown roofs. You can see green grass. Flowers are there in the garden. You can see butterflies are moving here and there. Okay children, you can when the swing goes up and down, you can see many good things. You can breathe fresh air. That is what you can see all in when you sit in the swing. You enjoy when you sit in the swing. Okay children, the children enjoy when they sit in the swing that goes up and down. The swing goes up, you see the rivers, you can see the trees, you can see the kettles. There are sheep and goats eating the grasses, green grasses. You can see the swing. From the swing you can see the countryside. The countryside is a small village. In that village there is a small houses are there, that is brown roofs are there. The brown roofs, that is brown in color. When the swing goes little more up, you can see the birds are flying. You can see clouds are there. So this all you can see when you sit on the swing. You feel enjoy. You feel happy when you sit on the swing. You have a fresh air. You see many things in the swing. Okay children, so now let us recite the rhyme. How do you like to go up in the swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it the pleasant thing even a child can do. Up in the air and over the walls till I can see so wide. Rivers and trees and kettle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Okay child, now we will be doing meanings of the swing. I have given the hard words of the swing. Now you have to write the meanings of this. The swing meanings: pleasant, lovely. You have to write it pleasant, lovely. Now second one is kettle, groups of domestic animal. Kettles, Groups of domestic animal. Now, wide, broad. Wide is broad. Okay, children? So, you have to write this in your notebook. Okay? And learn it, children. Now, you can see the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Up in the air so blue. Rivers and trees and kettles and all. Okay? Now, down on the roof so brown. Okay? You have to write this in your workbook. Okay, children? Now, next page, you can see rhyming words. You can see here rhyming words. What is there? Read this word and the rhyming words in the poem. So, you have to search the rhyming words and write. New, dew, new, dew. Bike, like, hide, wide, cook, look, hoof, hoof, roof. Now you know that you should write the spelling correctly. New, dew, dew, dew. Bike, like, hide, hide, wide. Cook, look. Hoof, roof. Okay, children? So you have to write all this in your notebook. Thank you, children.